Hi, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to add subtitle to movies using MS Player. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your Play Store app or App Store depending on your device and download the MS Player app. Having done that, you just have to click on the open option and allow your MS Player to have access to your device. Having done that, the next thing you have to do is to click on your download option. So right here on my download option, you're just going to see the different movies that you already downloaded from other kind of media like YouTube and so on your device. So you just have to select a particular movie like this one I have here now. The next thing you have to do is to click on the movie. You're going to see a three dots at the top right corner. You just have to click on the three dots. You're going to see an option called subtitle. Click on it. You're going to see online subtitles. Click on it. So all you have to do is to enter the search text. So you just have to edit the one we have there and type in the search text. If that movie have the subtitle for that search text, it will automatically pop out here. So guys, that is it on how to add subtitle to movies. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.